also going to add the model of the system. So let's say the model of the system is HP Elite book. Let's say HP Pro book 2630. Then let's say the location of the system is in admin office. The specification of the system now. Let's say the specification is specification of the system is Intel Core i7, for example. Okay, so we don't have anybody to assign it to. Okay, let's say I want to assign it to myself. Now, in this particular place, if I want to assign it to maybe myself, my name is Olayiwola Tobi. So I have to write the name as it is on the web app. If not, it's not going to assign it. Don't worry, you will see what I'm talking about. Let's say the RAM of the system is 16 gig, and then the hard disk space is 500 gig. Then the price of the system is 250,000. 250,000. So if I have a comment to add to the system, probably I want to give it a comment that maybe something is missing in the system. Probably the RAM is not complete or something. I just want to add something. I can add it here in the comment. Let me say RAM not installed yet. Something like that. I will click on add. So it's going to add the comment first. So you can see RAM not installed yet. Then you see my name, Olayiwola Tobi. That's exactly how I've written it here. Okay, so I'm going to say save equipment rather. So it's going to save the equipment, so our equipment is saved. So when I refresh this page, you are going to see, when I click on systems, you will see the new equipment. You can see it has been added here. Or I click on all equipment, it has been added here. You can see we have the system already added. So the same way you can add any other equipment using any of the categories to add it. So now that I've added it, I can edit it or decide to delete it. Okay, I can edit or delete what I have added. Now I think that is what you need to know for now concerning the equipment. So I can also filter equipment by category, and I can search for any equipment under this equipment panel. So now let's quickly go to the report panel. I will only be seeing the report of other people here because I'm the super admin. I cannot add the report for myself. So now, since we have seen equipment, users, and then you have seen the dashboard, I guess basically that is the thing super admin can do. You see the dashboard, it has given us the data inventory, good condition, recent update, just as I explained earlier. So as a super admin, you can also send announcement using the news panel. You can send an announcement. Probably you can say we have new arrival of equipment, something like that. There is new equipment. We have new system, something like that, just to test it for you to see. You send the message, so everyone registered on this platform will be able to see the message, to be able to see the message. everyone will be able to see the message. So you have seen the message has been added already. So now what I want to do now is I'm going to sign out. I'm going to sign out and then sign up as a user. Okay, so I'm going to sign up as a user and then probably create a new equipment and then assign the user to that equipment, then write a report for you to see. So let me sign up now as a new user. Let me say Olawale Johnson is the name. So the role is user. The email is olawale@gmail.com. The password is okay. So when I click on sign up, I want you to notice something now. You see account pending approval. Your account needs to be approved by an administrator. So that means administrator needs to approve you before you can sign in. So let me sign out, log in as the admin, super admin again. And then quickly approve that person. So I will go to user. So you can see that Kolawole Johnson is here and is pending approval. So I will just click pending. I'll click on the pending and then it will switch to approved. So you can see that Kolawole has been approved. It has been approved. So when Kolawole sign in now, Kolawole will be able to sign in. Okay. So Kolawole will be able to sign in now. So this is Kolawole dashboard. Kolawole will also be seeing the total inventory on the dashboard just like the admin. Inventory by category and recent updates will be in Kolawole's dashboard. So Kolawole, when Kolawole goes to equipment, Kolawole is not going to